Alright, what's up YouTube? It's May 18th, 2026, and this is a trade recap on how I lost $429 today, day trading the Nasdaq. So, let's get into it. So coming into the day, my bias, let's go to the 4-hour. We're kind of just moving lower. However, on the hourly time frame, we're making higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, right? And we're inversing bearish hourly gaps. We're respecting bullish gaps. So coming into the day, oh shoot, coming into the day, what I wanted to see was us respect either this 30-minute or this 30-minute gap, and then get longs out of that. Or if I was gonna be short, if I wanted shorts and I was bearish, I would want to see us inverse these gaps and close down here, and then get shorts to all this LR, 15-minute, this low, this low, this low, all of that. But what ended up happening was we respected this lower 30-minute and this higher 30-minute. And start a new one. So what we ended up doing was we tapped into this 30-minute gap and we printed this 15-minute fair value gap right here. And then, okay, created that 15-minute gap. Then what happened was we came lower, sweeped out this 30-minute intermediate low right here, created an SMT off of the lows, and then we got a 3-minute IFVG. This is the highest time frame inversion. There's no 4-minute, no 5-minute. So highest time frame, this is 3-minute IFVG. And then I took the trade like right up here, got like a decent fill. Then my stop loss is at the body of this candle over here, and TP was set at a 1-to-1 above the 15-minute fair value gap. So this 15-minute gap would have been my break-even point, and I would have TP'd at this 1-to-1. What else? Oh, the reason why this trade lost, the only reason I see is that right here, 10:05 on ES, we weren't really distributing off of anything, right? So obviously ES, we respected this 30-minute gap over here still, but what ended up happening was we created an SMT up here. I don't really care about this SMT though, because NQ created an SMT within a 30-minute gap, so that has more relevance compared to an SMT up here off of no key level, right? It's just an SMT with nothing else. So I was still fine with that. Didn't really care about the SMT, but ES, we weren't really reacting out of anything. We respected the 30-minute here, but at this moment at 10:05, we weren't reacting out of anything. We just inversed this 5-minute gap too. So there was no like true manipulation on ES. So that was maybe the only reason I see for why this trade lost, but it was for sure a valid trade. Even Ronin took it. Ronin got break even because he went break even at this high over here, I think, because of the rejection block. But I don't really trade rejection blocks, so I just wanted my TP at the 1-to-1 and my break even at the 15-minute fair value gap. Fortunately, just chopped for a bit over here, edged my break even, and then just shot the bed. So losing day, down, where is it? $429 today. We're overall down about $708 around that, but like we can easily come back from that. That's like 2 winning trades, maybe even 1 if it's a high RR trade. And yeah, I think that's all for the trade recap, and then I'll just show my journal. So this is my journal from all my trades. Looking like really bad right now. Loss, break even, loss. This is the one that I use for live trading, and then my backtesting one obviously has a lot more data. But what it has in it is just the outcome, date, day of the week, what I'd rate the trade, 1 through 10, or 1 through 5, and then what pair it is, NQ or ES, the model I'm trading, either MEC continuation or my like ARZ swing model, which is just my personal preference type of thing. Then confluences, take profit, break even, RR, risk to reward, risk per trade. Then do I follow my trading plan? Any news, emotions, and then post trade clarity, which is just where I just write what I was thinking during the trade and like what I think about the trade after. Any lessons? So obviously, I think this trade was like a really good trade. It's just no real lesson. Just losses are part of the process. And then I put a picture of the trade right here. And then I'll occasionally just look through this, look at the lessons mainly to just see uh, different lessons that I wrote so that I can like, continue learning from them and so I don't forget them. And if you want the journal, just comment down below and I'll send it over. So, peace.